Good morning. I'm feeling particularly unsexy right now. As a woman, maybe you feel the same way, but when I'm on my period, I just feel like a shell of myself. And so we are just gonna try to make ourselves feel better. I just wanted to share with you my little glow up routine. I know I have done a few of these in the past, but today we're gonna do a little hair refresh, also a facial, which skincare is always fun. This is what we're starting out with. Don't get used to her because she's about to glow up. We're gonna start first with a little facial. You saw my latest video, which was my skincare routine. You saw that I used the Biosan, so I'm just gonna quickly wash my face because I did walk to get some coffee and breakfast, so I put on sunscreen. So I'm gonna wash that off. Okay, I'm gonna be using the Ole Henriksen Cold Plunge Pore Mask. It has like a nice little tingly sensation that I love. I like to apply it with the brush just to feel a little fancy and spa vibes, and also just applies a lot more even than my fingers. And it smells so delicious. It's like minty, but I really do think that it does a really nice job of brightening the skin, just drawing out any impurities. So we're gonna let that sit, and while this is cooking, I think I only need to leave it on for 15 minutes, yeah. So I'm gonna dye my grays, cause your girl got grays now. I don't know how I feel. If you guys have gotten grays, like, how do you feel about it? Do you just like let them be? I have not come to terms with it yet. Like, I wonder if you can see them right now. You can probably see all of like the dandruff. Well, it's not even dandruff. It's just like product buildup because I had a lot of gel in my hair. I actually use this. It's for men. Barba y bigote. Mustache and beard. I just like it because I can save the product in the tube. Like, I can dispense just the amount that I need to cover these few grays that I have like right up in here. The other ones that are for women, it's just so much product and then you can't save it. I have found that this is kind of the best for me since I don't really have too many. I feel like everybody's like first gray, you just pluck out, and now I'm like, I can't be plucking out that many hairs. I just pump out that much, and then I try to match it with the developer. And basically just saturating the roots. And I only have to leave this on for like 10 minutes. Looks so cute. So anyways, I washed everything out, and then I can just save it for next time. So I really like using the men's beard, and it's actually, I think, cheaper, you know, pink tax. Unfortunately, I did not call the gas guy yet. We're going to get into a very cold shower to wash our hair, which is frightening. I'm just gonna treat it as like a health trend, you know, like cold plunges are in. And it's supposed to be really good for your nervous system to take cold showers. So we're just gonna like, it's gonna be a full self-care routine. Me trying to justify my irresponsibility and not calling the gas guy on time. I'm blabbing, but I don't know if you can kind of tell, but my hair does look kind of brassy. This is what I'm going to be using in my hair. They actually sent this over to me, so thank you, Glaze. It's basically a hair gloss. I've used similar ones in the past. I've used the ones by Kristen S that I really love. I used the one by DP Hue, which I love even more, and this one's really good too, and I love the branding. I think it's really cute. Basically, I'm just going to shampoo all of this and use this right after as like a conditioner. So quickly comb out. We got a little bit on there. I'm just gonna apply it, saturating each section. Just the bottle was like a little more easy to squeeze. So I'm just gonna apply this section by section. You can see it has reddish tint to it, so we'll see how that comes out. It feels almost like I'm in a Psycho film. I was able to like rinse everything off. I still have the hair gloss. While that is marinating in my hair, it says to leave it on for 10 minutes. I'm gonna take care of a few blackheads or whiteheads that I find in my nose and maybe on my chin. Mainly I'm gonna focus on my nose though, and this is the Tweezer Man tool, just like the pore. I can see my whiteheads coming out on this. It's very satisfying, but kind of gross. My nose is so red. I'm actually gonna hop in the shower just to rinse this off. I feel like it's been 10 minutes, maybe more. I swear, I feel like my lips are so purple. I'm so cold, but we rinsed everything off. I'm gonna try to warm up. It's such such a bad idea to do this today, but it's okay. We are feeling alive. I'm just gonna moisturize. I love moisturizing head to toe. This is like an everyday thing. I'll show you guys like my full body care routine soon, because I swear I get so many compliments on how soft my skin is. So after I put the Weleda skin food all over my body, I lock it in further with a body oil. The one that I've been using, they actually sent this to me. This is Salt Air, and it smells like a dreamy beach vacation. You can see like how radiant the skin looks. We're just gonna dermaplane really quickly. This is the Tweezer Man tool. I love, love, love this one. I also love the Versed one. It does make your products just absorb so much better. Your makeup is like what I really, really see a difference in. Like how smooth everything applies. It's incredible. You really are left with such glowy skin. And I was actually pretty scared as well in the beginning to like break out, or maybe like the hair on my face grows back thicker. But I've been doing this for a while now and it doesn't. Okay, so now I am going to high smile it up. I'm gonna whiten my teeth. I feel like it's cut my teeth so bright, and like the best part is that my teeth have not been sensitive at all with like literally any of their products. And I do this like, I don't know, once every 2 months. So while I'm whitening my teeth, I'm just gonna groom up my brows. I tweeze them with an angled tweezer and then also a pointed one just to get every hair, and then I brush them up and trim, brush them down and trim. I really miss my eyebrow girl in California, but we're just doing them ourselves these days, and this is the final shape. Okay, it was like perfect timing. I just finished my eyebrows and it blinked. So these are my teeth. It just keeps them so vibrant, and I just feel like when your teeth are white, you just look so radiant. So I'm gonna quickly new face. I haven't done like a side-by-side comparison in a while. I'll be using the mini. The eyebrows, the forehead. I mean, I feel like you see a difference like here. Obviously the eyebrow looks a bit more lifted. The cheeks kind of look the same, but it's like here. I really do think it works, but you just have to be consistent. It's not like a one and done. It truly is like a workout. You have to like continuously lift and tone those muscles. I'm gonna quickly do the other side. So we are toned and tightened and lifted. My skin looks really radiant. It looks really clear. It looks really smooth. It's just missing a bit of hydration. So I'm gonna add this multivitamin Power Recovery Mask. It's just gonna be the final step on these like treatment routines. Obviously different than my regular skincare routine, and I just apply this. It feels like a balm. I'm gonna lay this on pretty thickly. I'm gonna add a bit more to the forehead where I tend to get the most sun, have the most expression lines, and it just totally makes your skin bounce back. Specifically, it says it has concentrated vitamins A, C, E, and F that helps skin recover from damage that leads to skin aging while enhancing barrier properties. Vitamin A helps increase elasticity and moisture content. Nutrient-rich algae extract helps moisturize and soften skin, and provitamin B5 helps nourish damaged skin. Leave this on for like 15 minutes. I'm gonna leave it on for the duration of my blowout. We're gonna get to that right now. Looks pretty dark. I think I'm gonna like it. I'm not gonna bore you with how I blow dry my hair because I feel like I have a lot of videos on my channel already, right? Just finished blow drying my hair and this is the result. I feel like it does look richer and it actually feels super healthy, which I like. It was feeling so dry and damaged. And I also took off the mask and I just moisturized. I definitely feel way more refreshed and ready than I did earlier today. Feeling clean, glowy, glossy. This is more of like a once a month thing when I just feel like I need the little tune-up, the maintenance. My skin feels soft, my hair feels soft. I am feeling like that bitch again. Even though it's not like a feeling that you like cultivated from within, when you're feeling like shit, you just like add a little oomph to your routine to get you out of the mental game. And I swear you just like, I don't know, it changes me. It really does. Even like just the getting your nails done. Like doing one of these things just changes my whole vibe. I am gonna do my makeup and start my day in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You're gonna see a whole new Amy. Okay, she has arrived. Why does the color look so crazy? I think that this whole routine took like an hour and a half. But damn. Anyways, thank you for grooming with me today. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.